My name is Chad Zanako, and I'm a member of the VISTAS project team. I'm a PhD student at Oregon State University in the School of Public Policy, working with principal investigators Dr. Denise Locke and Dr. Judy Cushing. We've had the good fortune of working with a diverse team of computer scientists, programmers, environmental scientists, and ecologists throughout the life of this project. Of particular mention are Taylor Much and Nick Molnar, who are computer programmers at Conservation Biology Institute and have done a majority of the heavy lifting on the development side. VISTAS, or Visualization of Terrestrial and Aquatic Systems, is a computer software program that is designed to meet a need identified by ecologists and environmental scientists. Environmental scientists want to be able to better understand complex data that span spatial and temporal scales, and they want to be able to better effectively communicate these findings to other environmental scientists and non-scientists. We help meet these needs through visualization of complex topography, a phenomenon that is particularly difficult to understand and research. Here are some of the main objectives of the VISTAS project. First, to conduct research into visualization needs and then co-develop software with environmental scientists and ecologists. To address this, we first developed a C++ prototype, which we have recently rewritten in Python. VISTAS software takes gridded terrain data, shape files, and other data formats as input and uses these to produce visualizations. Second, to work with environmental scientists that interact with decision makers and other members of the general public. To address this, we work specifically with environmental scientists that co-produce knowledge with stakeholders on wicked problems. Wicked problems are not problems that are particularly evil, but problems that are problematic to solve, such as interactions between climate change and land use. Finally, to study VISTA's development process and how this process contributes to produced information and knowledge that is usable and useful, we use social science methods, including comparative pre-post interviews, to help us understand the process of software co-production and hopefully generate insights about when software co-development can be best leveraged to meet the needs of scientists, stakeholders, and others who are trying to find solutions to wicked problems. Here are some examples of visualizations that our collaborators have produced using VISTAS software, as well as the expertise of the VISTAS team. As you can see from the images, landscape topography, or terrain, is a prominent element. These scientists use 3D images to understand complex processes that are dependent on elevation and terrain variation. Now I will highlight a visualization feature that was developed by the VISTAS team through co-production. One of our collaborators was working with a group of stakeholders in Bigwood Basin, Idaho to explore future land use and water use in the community. Stakeholders were having a difficult time understanding scientific outputs from these meetings, and conventional graphs and figures were not satisfactory for understanding the complexity of the issues they were attempting to address. To meet the need of stakeholders, the VISTAS team and environmental scientists iterated multiple times and eventually developed a fly-through feature that allows participants to travel across a 3D landscape. This fly-through video is depicting land use and land use change. In addition to being able to view data across space, VISTAS can also display data across time. Here is an example of time series data that shows how soil moisture changes on a daily basis, allowing researchers to understand how forest buffers can help reduce nitrogen flows. Similarly, here is a new collaboratively developed feature of VISTAS that allows scientists to depict intensity and directionality of stream flows using vector fields. To try VISTAS software for yourself, visit the following web address. You will find introductory information, quick start manual, sample data, and more information about the project. Please feel free to provide us with comments or feedback. We'd like to thank our many sponsors and funders, including National Science Foundation, Oregon State University, and the Evergreen State College. Thank you.